Hello everyone, my name is Franklin Olalla and today we have a wonderful topic is language assessment and testing. So we have to identify the difference between a formative assessment and summative assessment. We can say about the formative assessment are quizzes and tests that evaluate how someone is learning material throughout a course. So we have a common formative assessments, including like observations, journals, questionnaires, games, project, group activities, individual activities, and presentation, and other more. And we can say about the formative assessments are assessments of someone's learning in progress in the classrooms. This works when used a regular basis. For example, we have a questionnaires like once a week, and for example, on Monday is the pen day, the teacher thinks is the best options. This as formative assessment is flexible and is perfect for keeping students' interest in the classroom and, of course, in the class. Also, we can use class games with groups, presentations, and hands-on activities to assess students' programs. And now we're going to talk about the observations. The observation help teachers. There is evidence of the students' learning. This evidence can be recorded and used as feedback to students for their learning. Here, in these observations, we have anecdotes, like anecdotes notes, anecdotes with a notebook, anecdotal note cards. And I would like to talking about something about the anecdotal notes. There are short notes that are given during a lesson while students are working in a groups or individuals, or after completing a lessons. So the following are some representative examples of formative assessments. Question teachers as individual students and groups of students during the learning process to determine what specific concept or skill they may struggle with. We have a self-assessment, peer assessments. And also we have journals. What is a journals? Write accounts of what the students do in their class and what they learned. Interested provide a partial record of the instructional experience, can access understanding, and acts as a review learning contents. And inside the journals, we have a theory magazines, reflective magazines, science, math, vocabulary, and diaries. So the theories magazines, students imagine and interpret theoretical concepts and significant points from the genres, reversing them in their own words, and they give their own concepts. So then we have summative assessments. In here, summative assessments are uses to access student learning, like skills, acquisitions, academic performance, and the on the of a definite instructional period, typical, and the end of a project, and the end of a unit, and the end on the course, semesters, programs, or school years. Also, we can say about the summative assessment are given at the end of a specific instructional periods and are therefore general evaluative rather than diagnostic. That is, they are used more appropriately to determine learning progress and performance. And we're going to talking about the formative versus summative evaluations. Formative evaluation is a more formal, is a more informal, is a flexible and ongoing diagnostic tools. In, in the other hand, the summative evaluation is an evaluation of the course. The summative evaluation are more formal structures. They are used to assess the academic performance of the students. In other words, the summative evaluation is intended to evaluate the results instead of observing the development of the students at certain times. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Franklin Olalla, and thank you very much.